Let's take a quick look at the difference between scientific rounding and normal rounding. Everyone knows about normal rounding. If we take a number that we've gotten through a calculation like 3.25, and maybe we only need it to two significant figures, so we'll keep the 3 and the 2. And if we know by normal rounding, if we look to a 5, then we would normally just round up. And we go ahead and make that 3.3, and we have two significant figures, and that's our answer. But there's a problem with normal rounding, in that it introduces bias. If we look at our numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we look at those numbers, we know that if we go 5 and up, we round up. And we look to a 4 and down, then we drop that digit, or round down. But if you'll notice, we have 5 numbers going up and only 4 going down, and that's not hardly fair. So what scientific rounding does is it removes that bias by taking the 5s and we split those. And so how do we split them evenly? Well, all we have to do is we look at the preceding number, that is the last digit that we're going to keep. And in this case, if we have 3.25, a number like that, we know we have the 3 and the 2 as significant figures. We look to a 5, and if we look to a 5 and the last number we keep is an odd number or an even number, we make a decision based on what to do. In this case, 2 is an even number. And for even numbers as the last digit, we drop that and then we turn it into 3.2. If we have a number like 3.35, where we have the 3 and the 3 here, and we look to a 5, and this 3 is an odd number, the last digit that we're going to keep is an odd digit, then for odd, we go up, and we round those up. So in this case, the 3.35 would become 3.4. So everything else remains the same. It's only if we look to and refer to a 5 is scientific notation, or scientific rounding, excuse me, different. Everything else stays the same. And so just if there's a 5, if it's an even number that was the last digit we're keeping, go ahead and drop it. If it's odd, like a 3 here, and then we go up. And that's it. That's scientific rounding.